That's fine. Or you eat that definitely.
We've got Lydia here doing the 70 trout steak challenge. So if she completes all this within 60 minutes, she wins £85. How are you feeling?
Pretty good.
Good,
Pretty
confident?
good, yeah.
All the way from Belgium.
Yeah, exactly.
So, ready? Good luck.
Thank
Get
you.
started.
Okay.
So Lydia, how are you feeling? Still think the bread's going to be the hardest bit?
Bread and the chips.
And the chips. Do you think you're going to complete it still?
We'll know in the next 15 minutes.
Next 15 minutes.
I think so.
Have you given up?
I have.
You've done very well anyway.
After 35 minutes, I decided I wasn't going to finish it, so I am giving up.
Giving up. What do you think the biggest struggle was on the challenge?
The chips. The chips. The chips.
Chips. It's always the
The
chips.
chips and the bread. The bread, to be fair. I started eating the bread and I was like, I
How
can't
did it
do it.
taste?
I'm not doing it.
That's
Lovely. It's beautiful, soft meat, full of flavour. Very nice.
Thumbs down.
Oh.
Oh.